Hi there! If you ever need to request a payment by sending your customers or clients a pay link in chat, you can do so even if you're on the go with the Wix mobile app. A heads up, by the way, sending payment links is available only for premium plan users. Anyway, with that out of the way, let's get started. On the Wix mobile app, go to Inbox below. And if you're going to send your payment request link through a new chat, then go ahead and start a new chat. And if you're going to send your payment request link through an existing conversation, open that existing conversation. Now, tap on the plus button over here and then select Pay Links. Start creating your payment link. Input your link name, input your price, and input your description as well. And then below, set these things up according to your needs and preferences. If you'd like to set an expiration date, toggle this button on and set the date you'd like this message to expire. If you'd like to limit the number of payments, toggle this button on and indicate the maximum number of payments. And then if you'd ever like to mark it as shippable order, tap this button on as well. And once you're done, make sure to review everything. It's very important that everything is accurate because we're talking about payment, so it should be correct. Anyway, this button here, instead of upgrade, it would say send request. So tap on the send request button so that your payment link would successfully be sent to your customer. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. If you ever need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing.